Hey guys, so welcome to lesson number 1, be quick access toolbar in Excel. So let's get started. Okay, so you have different tabs over here in the ribbon section, and you go to a particular tab, and let's say you want to make this data as bold, italic, underline. Okay, let's say you want to again make it bold. You go to data, and then you want to refresh the sheet. Okay, you have refreshed it. Then you go to view tab, and then you want to, let's say, do not want to see the grid lines. You will click over here. So let's say you are middle of this tab and you're working on something. So every time you use some of the functionalities every now and then. So every time you have to visit those tabs. So there are multiple tabs. You need to go back to all those tabs every time. However, Microsoft gives you this functionality to use these tabs every time without going to each of these tabs. And how is that achieved? This is via the quick access toolbar which we are having over here. So if you see format painter, so I am using format painter every now and then. So I will just click this format painter. I will use it here and then let's say I want to use this bold function every time. What I need to do is just right click and add the quick access bar. So if you see over here, this bold function is added to the quick access bar. So no matter wherever I am, okay, let's say I will just unbold it. Okay, so I am, let's say, in data tab and I want to make this bold. I will just click over here. I want to make this bold. I will just click over here. So those are the standard functions which you can always use. Okay, in a similar way, if you want to add border function or color function, you use it every time. Just click add to quick access toolbar. If you see, if you just click this button, okay, and you see over here, if you want to keep this ribbon over here, then you can always select this button, show below the ribbon, then it will show you data over here. So instead of going towards up at the top, you can always see this data over here. Okay, then you have this button over here. If you click this, you will see some of the standard functions or commands which Microsoft offers. This is based on their users input, so they give this by default which you can use. You can always go to show above the ribbon section and again put it back over here. So for the time being I will keep it here. Then you can click on more commands, then this dialog pops up. So what is more commands? These are the standard commands which you have used. So if you want to add some more commands, let's say borders, you can always add. If you want to add the picture or paste command, you can always add it. So these are different options which you can always add. You want the sum command, you can always add. You want this command. So if you see over here, save, and the last one is fill color. Save, last one is fill color, and I have added this 3. So if you want this button to be second one, then you can always click on this button and move up or down based on your requirement. Okay, then we have other sections also, commands not in the ribbon. So these are more commands which you don't see over here. If you click over here, only at that point of time you see. For say, for let's say freeze panes, then you can always add this also over here. Okay, and if you want to remove, just click this sections and you can just remove those buttons or commands. If you click on all commands, then this will show up all the commands which you are having, all of the Excel commands. These commands might be in thousands. Okay, so if you are not happy with whatever is available, you can just click on reset button. Okay, and then it will just reset it. Just click OK and it will reset everything. I will just press cancel. So these were the different ways wherein you can always use the quick access toolbar. Believe me, this is one of the best functionalities which you will enjoy working with Excel. Okay, so Thank you.